Hello kids! Let's learn some colors name. Violet color, orange color, red color, green color, purple color, dark blue color, yellow color, brown color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F. A for avocado. B for bus. C for candy. D for dog. E for eggplant. F for flowers. Let's try to count some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. A for apple. B for ball. C for candy. D for doll. E for eggplant. F for fruits. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.